Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crop one page or selected page in your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and click this left sidebar is thumbnail option and click on this page and select. Now click right button and here you will find this crop option. Click here and you can set here crop margin, custom margin. I will crop this top one and bottom one and left side 0.5 and right side also 0.5. Now set it crop, apply and see this page now crop design icon. Also you can crop your video pages. Select page layout option and here you will find this crop option. Click here. Now click on this page and crop box now showing here and you can customly direct this crop area and you can set it and see this. Now select apply crop and see this. In this you can crop as many as is what customly you can crop a desired area and see this and select apply and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.